Are you ready to unlock the treasure chest hidden in the world of Google News? In this video, we're about to unveil a powerful strategy that transforms Google's headlines into a daily income stream, potentially exceeding $1,000. It's like turning breaking news into a breaking bank account. Whether you're a news junkie, an aspiring journalist, or someone who just wants to turn knowledge into cash, this video holds the front page to your financial success. Stay tuned as we explore how you can make over $1,000 every day with Google News. Let's get started and make headlines in the world of online earnings.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
The initial step is to visit Google News. If you never used Google News before, don't worry. It's quite simple. Just type Google News in the search bar and click on the first website that appears. Now, you're already on Google News homepage, which functions like an online newspaper, providing news on a wide range of topics. You may find articles on business, technology, entertainment, and so much more. You might be wondering how this relates to making money, but don't fret. Your task involves copying and pasting some text. It's a straightforward process. Just follow our instructions and clicks, and you will start making money after watching this video. So, let's proceed. Disregard the suggested articles at the bottom of the page. Instead, focus on the categories listed at the top, such as entertainment, sports, science, and so on. Click on one of these categories. We prefer using the health category, but feel free to choose one that interests you. In our case, we will select health. Now, you will see a wealth of news articles related to health. These articles are continuously updated, with the new ones appearing every hour. Each of these articles can potentially earn you up to $40. So, if you use just 4 articles in a day, you can make $160 or more. With more time and effort, you can surpass our results displayed here. Let's continue with the tutorial. Click on one of the articles within your chosen category. For instance, we will click on this one here. This article will serve as an example for this tutorial. Now that we have completed the first step, which involved finding subtitle articles, you're now familiar with how to use Google News. In the next step, we will transform the article obtained from Google News into a completely fresh piece. It's important to ensure we don't encounter any copyright issues. To create a completely unique article, we will be leveraging ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI on a wide range of capabilities. To get started, head over to chat.openai.com and sign up for a free account. After successfully signing up, log into your account and you'll be directed to this page. Here's the process. Enter the following prompt, paraphrase this article, then navigate to the article you want to transform. Copy the entire text, and within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a distinct, entirely fresh article that won't lead to any copyright issues. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can ask ChatGPT for another version or simply click the regenerate button here. Now the initial step is to copy your new article by clicking here and save it in a secure location. In our case, we are saving it to a new text document. We are doing this because we will be selling these articles to websites willing to pay generously for well-crafted content. We will introduce you to 2 different websites in this video, which means you can potentially double your earnings. Stay tuned for the second website. It's our personal favorite, and it's where we have earned the impressive amount you see here. Before we continue, please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Once you have your articles safely stored, let's move on to the first website where you can monetize your content. It's called eatingwell.com. Here's the exciting part. This website pays you for $1 for every word you write, regardless of your location in the world. That's right, $1 per word. So if you have a 200-word article, you will earn $200. The second website will introduce pays an impressive $2 per word, meaning a 200-word article would net you $400. The best part is that this process doesn't require any financial investment or extend writing hours. As we have shown you, we rely on Google News and ChatGPT for this method, so you don't have to worry about engaging in affiliate marketing or laborious tasks. Now let's delve into how you can start making money with your articles on these websites. It's a straightforward process. When you're on the website, you'll notice that they offer $1 per word. Your next step is to find their email address on their website. Then, send them an email with the subject line Content Submission. In your email, express your intent to submit an article and convey your enthusiasm about hearing from them. You can use a provided template, but we suggest tweaking some words to ensure your email is entirely unique. Feel free to be creative and add your own touch. The final step is to copy the article you've generated using Google News and ChatGPT. Make sure you copy the entire article and paste it to your email. Once you've done this, hit send. If they appreciate your article, they will respond and request your payment details, such as PayPal or bank transfer information. You can choose your preferred payment method as they offer multiple options. Rest assured, using your own article shouldn't pose any issues. This website is entirely legitimate and has been in operation for years. You can start this process immediately after watching this video, and there's no limit to how much you can earn. The more articles you work with, the more money you will make. Now let us introduce to you the second and final website, which happens to be our personal favorite, aarp.org. Here's the great news. They offer a generous $2 for each word in the articles you submit. This means you can earn more on this website compared to the previous one. However, we still recommend using both websites to maximize your earnings and increase your potential to make more money. aarp.org doesn't just pay more. They also accept articles in a wide range of categories and topics, including caregiving, games, travel, and so much more. Unlike eatingwell.com, you won't be limited to health-related articles. It's essential to keep in mind that these websites may not accept every article you submit. They might already have similar content submitted by someone else. But even if they accept just one article per day, you can still generate a substantial income. So, there's no need for you to worry. You can start this process right now without any cost and receive payments directly to your PayPal account or bank account. This method is extremely straightforward. Just copy, paste, and send emails. If you can handle these tasks, you can earn money using this approach. And if you're interested in learning how to submit articles to aarp.org, visit their website and check out their submission process. And that's it for today. Please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.